In this video, we are going to download and update PC drivers using Snappy Driver Installer. So first of all, open your web browser and search for Snappy Driver Installer. In the Google search results, click on the official Snappy Driver Installer website. Once the website opens, scroll down a little and click the download button. On the next page, you will see two versions, offline and online. If you have a fast and reliable internet connection, you can choose SDI Full, which is around 50 gigabytes in size. With this version, you can update drivers without needing an internet connection during the driver installation process. However, for this tutorial, I will choose the light version, which is much smaller in size. Keep in mind that you will need an active internet connection while downloading and updating the drivers. Once you have downloaded the file, extract the 7Z archive. After extracting it, open the folder and run sdi-r2601.exe. Once Snappy Driver Installer opens, you will see three options: download all driver packs, download network drivers only, download indexes only. To avoid downloading unnecessary driver packs and wasting your internet data, you can choose the drivers manually. For this tutorial, I will close this menu and select the drivers individually. As you can see, there are currently 68 driver packs available. Click on it to view the available driver packs. Now, you can choose any missing or outdated drivers from the list that you want to update. If we download all the available drivers, it will require around 1.3 gigabytes of data. Instead, if we select only the specific drivers we need, we can save both time and internet data. So that's how you can download and update your PC drivers using Snappy Driver Installer. Thanks for watching.